Hello friends, today in this video we will be talking about top 5 Python application for Android. The first one is Pyroid 3. I have already told you about this, but again I will deal with this. I think according to me this one is the best application for running Python programs. Okay, some of its features are that you can install any of the library packages very easily and quickly. Some of the options are also given, so you can select from those packages and through pip you can install them at any time, and it does not take too much time and you don't have to write any other code. Just you have to give the library name and then it will install automatically. Now Pyroid 3 has a large number of libraries in comparison to any other application so far I have seen and will be dealing in this video. So as you can see, there are many libraries. Anything related to Python programming you can search over here. Even it has library for Pygame, pip, numpy, pandas, matplotlib and other library packages. So it has a vast collection of libraries. Now for coding, it is very easy to code in this platform. It also provides us many of the punctuators and delimiters, so the typing and coding is very easy over here. So you can run the program and it also displays very properly the output. You can save, open and create new programs anytime whenever you require. Then you, from the saved programs and other things, you can also check for and use it again in your program. Now talking about some of the options which it has is like that of terminal, from where you can again run your code and you can type and run your program. Apart from that, some other functions or features are like you can get a much more better version by opting for get premium. Then you can share your program, share your code. Then there are not much samples, but still you can see for some of the few samples program which it offers. Now the next application for running Python program is QPython. As you can see, the options which it provides are that for console application, like you can write your program over here and can see the output. Like as you can see, I'm typing print and 6 plus 7 and then it shows the output. It's like the simple console one where we can type one line after the other. Now talking about some other options which it has is that of editor, where you can write your script or any new project and can save it also. Now about programs, it has a collection of sample programs as well as some of the projects which you can use and can learn from it. Now talking about some of the settings, it has got pip console, libraries, and you can see the libraries which it has. It has a very limited collection of libraries as compared to that of Pyroid 3. And in pip section also you can install some of the packages or libraries, but I tried over here and it is a bit complicated, sort of like it takes a lot of time, and apart from that you have to install some other packages first and libraries to use some other. Like I wanted to use pandas, but it asked me to install Python also, which was not there in that Pyroid 3. Now the next option is that of QPython. So you can install QPython as well as officially PyPy and can run more upgraded versions of Python. Now the next application is SoloLearn. This is basically for learning new programs, or you can say programming languages, as well as you can run your code over here, which means that you can learn as well as test your code over here. Okay, so it has many options. Like in the learn section, you can learn different platforms, like totally different languages. Like you can learn HTML, Python, then Java, then SQL, and as you can see, many other features and it is all the topics are divided into sections, so it is very handy and easy to select topics. Then see, talking about programmings, you can check any of it. If I clicked like Python, then it shows me some of the basic topics to learn, and then at the end of the course it will provide you a certificate also. So it is good to have a certificate when you are learning something. You feel very nice when you get a certificate. So this platform is good for that also, as well as for coding. And apart from Python, it teaches you some other programming languages also, so it is multi-platform sort of thing. So now in the play section, you can start a challenge and can select opponent. Firstly, you can select any of the tools and then select opponent, and then can start quiz. So basically here the professional ones are there, and if you win you get some points in XP. So and the quiz or challenge lasts for 1 day, so anytime you can select any of the opponents. In the feed section, anything new or any news are posted over here, so you can check for the news or any game or coding event which are going on this app platform. Now again, in the code section, you can select your language and you can start coding. You can type your programs over here, and it also have shortcut keys or tabs which you generally use while coding, so it is also very easy to use platform. And then you can run your code and can also save it and keep it for further use. So this one is also a good platform for coding. So you can save it and you can also change setting of the coding page. Like you can change the theme as well as the font color and font type. So you can also see that many codes are also given over here in the hot topic today, so you can check for those code and you can learn programming even in much better way. So this is how. And in the discuss section, you can discuss with any of the other participants which are present in this platform, and you can also raise question and can answer to any of the questions. So this one was a good application. Now next application is that of Python by example. This is also good for learning, but it does not have coding option. You can't code over here, only you can learn from this application. Like you can learn many of the topics, but you can't check it at the same platform. You have to go to another platform to run your programs and check your code. So although it provides many of the good topics to learn about Python, or the complete tutorial you can see about Python you can learn from here, but for coding you have to again switch on to another application. As you can see, it has a wide range of topics like pandas, and then gaming also, and then QPython, and many other things. It is a complete package for learning Python. So this one is good for learning. And the last application which I will be dealing in this video is that of Python tutorial. It is very basic one. It also provides you tutorial as well as a compiler. So the topics which are covered are this much only. It has a limited number of topics which it covers, and you can run programs and check in the compiler section. Okay, you can type your code and then you can click run button and the output will be shown in your screen. So this was all about the different applications, the 5 applications which I wanted to show you in this video. The first one was Pyroid 3, and then we have QPython. Then third one was SoloLearn, then Python by example, and then Python tutorial. You can also suggest me of any other application which you uses the most and is a good one. You can comment me and tell me which application you like the most.